Right, just want to jump on and have a quick look at these two, because one, it's Digital Aqua Blue, which I think is probably up there with my favourite colour, and secondly, they've both got silver wheels and a lot of spec. The main point, the silver wheels, because there's a bit of an internal argument going on between me and Jimmy about what's the best wheel colour. He hates silver wheels, but loves black wheels. I hate black wheels, but I love silver wheels. So these are like perfect spec vans for me. And these are both going out to the same customer. So the same customer has had two vehicles. They spec'd similarly, but slightly different in their own way. But I mean, how good do they look being prepped, ready for the customer handover? They're both factory DCIV, plug-in hybrids, 2.5 litre, 232 PS, and they have had every bit of spec thrown at them. This one here has got the LVT ones in silver with a red EBC big brake kit, along with, round the front, what we're starting to see now is people really liking the laser lights on the front of these Transits, which I think do look really good. They suit the front of the Transit really well. And this has also got, the customers spec'd the LED grill bar across the top of the grill, which again looks as adds to the front end of this. And then moving through the back, the customer has asked us to remove the bulkhead. Now, the bulkhead in a DCIV Ford is fixed. They all come with the bulkhead in. You can't fold the seats down in these. Whether they'll change that, I'm not sure. But we've carpeted it all out. It's been insulated, carpet, suede lined, extra LEDs. Customers even gone for a halo roof in this one, so LEDs around that channel in the halo, and taken the bulkhead out of it, which something pretty different. We don't see too often, but that just shows you it is doable. And then moving around the back, again, just opens it all up. You can put stuff under the seats if you need to, gives a little bit more room, and customers had a load mat in there as well. And then we've got Jay doing a full set of limo tints on, they've both had limo tints by the look of it. Jay's just finishing off the second one. Gary's just doing the finishing touches to the second van. This one is just waiting for its wheel arch trims, its door protection. But again, this is a very similar van, but slightly different. The one that we've just had a look round is a 6-seater with no bulkhead. This one is a 5-seater with the bulkhead still fitted, I believe. So spec slightly differently, but the base van is pretty much the same. 2.5 litre hybrid, DCIV with full LVRF pack. And the customer who's having this one has spec'd the LVT4s in silver with the red big brake kit. So they both look similar but slightly different, and they've both got the laser lights, the grill LED, which on that front end I think looks really, really smart. Let's have a quick look. Yeah, so this one's still got bulkhead intact. That one's been left in. Single seats in the front, which have been upgraded to our sport seat foams, which again, just makes a huge difference to the inside. But these are pretty high spec vans as well. We've got electric twin sliding doors, the upgraded center console storage, digital rear view mirror. Wouldn't surprise me if these have got heated steering wheels as well, because they are really high spec base vans. And I can't quite remember what this one's had in the back, whether it's had anything. Yeah, so we've done the lining again in the back, but with the halo, but with the bulkhead still intact, and we've left the front cab as is. But again, oh, these have got power on board as well, which is actually a really cool little feature on these hybrids. So you've got basically a factory fitted inverter with 2 3-pin plugs. I've seen people run an air fryer in the back of one of these on one of the hybrid Rangers with power on board, which is a pretty good idea if you work out the back of your van. Plug an air fryer or a coffee machine in. But yeah, I think these are probably the nicest looking Transits I'd say we've spec'd for a customer so far, because it's my favourite colour. Silver wheels they just stand out so well. You lose a lot of the detail on a black wheel in my opinion, Black wheels look good, they always look good. They look good on any colour, any spec. But if you get the right colour van with a silver wheel, with a big brake kit behind it, and those two just look ace, don't they? Bright colour, bright wheels, just that bit of subtle colour from the big brake kit coming through as well. And then we can see the grille LED on this one just lit up as Gary's unlocked it. Some right extra lighting on the front of that one. Extra grille LED, laser lamp triple R 750 Elites as well. They are the daddy. But I think those two just look ace. Just wanted to jump on really quickly because, yeah, they've got to be the best spec vans we've built so far for a customer. And they look so good. But yeah, we've got plenty of vans coming in over the next couple of weeks. I think Jimmy mentioned to me this morning we've got anywhere between 90 and 100 vans coming over the next 4 weeks. Really high spec, DCIV, plug-in hybrids. So basically the same sort of base vehicle as these, electric doors, heated steering wheels. I think they've all got heated steering wheels actually from when I was looking the other day. So they are all really high spec vans and we're about to get swamped with them. It's busy enough already. So yeah, if you want to inquire about the spec of the vans we've got coming through, the colours, lead times, things like that, drop us a message. We've probably got the van that you're looking for.